Now we'll discuss about types of stem cells. The human body requires many different types of cells to function, but it does not produce every cell type fully formed and ready to use. Scientists call a stem cell an undifferentiated cell because it can become any cell. In contrast, a blood cell, for example, is a differentiated cell because it has already formed into specific kind of cell. So, stem cells are of two types, embryonic stem cells and adult stem cells. Now we will discuss about embryonic stem cells. Scientists extract embryonic stem cells from unused embryo left over from in vitro fertilization procedures. They do this by taking the stem cells from the embryos at the blastocyst stage, which is the phase in development before the embryo implants in the uterus. These cells are undifferentiated cells that divide and replicate. However, they are also able to differentiate into specific types of cells. Next is adult stem cells. There are two main types of adult stem cells, those in developed bodily tissues and induced pluripotent stem cells. Developed bodily tissues such as organs, muscles, skin, and bone include some stem cells. These cells can typically become undifferentiated cells based on because they exist. For example, brain stem cells can only become a brain cell. On the other hand, scientists manipulate induced pluripotent stem cells to make them behave more like embryonic stem cells for use in regenerative medicine. After collecting these stem cells, scientists usually store them in a liquid nitrogen for future use. However, researchers have not yet been able to turn these cells into any kind of bodily cells. So, this is all about types of stem cells.